Today I'll be showing how I use the template in Access, which is the time card template, to create a database for the employees at my job. Here you can see I just used a random name generator to create some of the employees. I put their information such as their email address, the business phone number, and their job title. So this is the information that I came up with. In our next table, you would see the dates that they worked, which I listed by the days of the week, and the projects that they were assigned to, and the number of hours that they worked that week. So you can see that in total, the whole department worked 400 hours. These are the different work codes that I came up with. And you would see that all of the hours are billable, since the only thing's not billable is sick time and vacation time, and no workers took that time out. So no non-billable hours. And we can just see the address book and the phone book for the employees.